Hi, Will Patterson, Louisville, Kentucky living. Today we're coming to you from the meadows of River Crest, Fischer Model Home. Today I'm with Talisa Jackson. She's a representative for Fischer. She's going to give us some insight on this wonderful model here. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Give us some more insight on that.
Absolutely. So this is our Fairfax market home that's located at 188 Ridgebrook Drive, Mount Washington, Kentucky, 40047. This market home accommodates 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and sits a little over 2,400 square feet. It does also accommodate a basement, and it is priced at $469,990.
Sounds wonderful. Nice,
Absolutely.
good size home, plenty of space, and in a wonderful community here.
Gorgeous.
A lot of these homes are new within the last year or two. And then you're also having some more built, so people can come out, they can pick a floor plan, build their own home, or customize one of these on a retrofit type of basis.
You got it.
All right, let's go ahead and check this out.
All right, awesome. Follow me.
Got this nice big front porch up here.
Absolutely. Beautiful landscaping.
And be able to sit out here, enjoy the nice country air.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
And then we have our punch button keypad there for our door lock. And then we can also upgrade that as well.
Can.
Go to like a smart home system where you can open with your phone, that kind of thing.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Absolutely.
Let's head on in.
Perfect. Follow me. Right here to your right, you're going to have this flex space. So we've turned this into a study. So you'll notice that it does have the beautiful French doors off to the side.
Nice all glass. And then you can get the cross hatches in here if you want to, whenever you're doing design stuff and everything. Can you upgrade like additional, I know it's got a lot of outlets already, but can you upgrade to outlets where they might be up at a higher level?
That's definitely something that, yeah, we could definitely potentially do.
So lots of customization and everything with the Fischer.
Absolutely.
Got our coat closet here, and then our entrance to the basement, which we'll go down to in a little bit. And then we have our
We have a secondary bathroom up here, half bath.
convenient to all the living space down here on the first floor.
Absolutely.
And then we have this massive room here that goes directly with our kitchen.
Yes.
Do a living area, a dining area in the middle, put some bar stools over there on the counter,
Absolutely.
and then have our kitchen over there. Got all
Absolutely.
this light in the back with the big windows. The door goes out back as well. Give us some more insight on this part.
Absolutely. One thing I really like to point out is that this floor does have laminate vinyl planks all throughout. So that's a very, very nice feature I'd like to point out.
Easy to clean, don't have to worry about the carpet getting dirty coming in and out of the back or front.
Absolutely.
And this could also be upgraded to wood floor or tile as well, correct?
Engineer art wood flooring, that is correct, yeah. Absolutely. Notice we do have the beautiful granite island here. All right, so this would be a 6-seater. All right. Another standard feature that you'll notice that most of our homes do have is the soft close door design. So basically what that is just a construction configuration that keeps the doors and the cabinetry from slamming. So really neat.
And then another good feature, you've got the electrical outlets here that are on the island. So you can have things over here. Kids can sit here and do different things with their computers and whatnot as well.
Absolutely.
I love this drop zone that's directly off the garage here.
Yeah, so you got your nice mudroom area right here, so you can just lay your things and you don't have to, say you have muddy boots, you don't have to track that all throughout the home. So it's very convenient.
And then we also have entrance in from the garage area. We've got really nice deep garage. So you can pull in a very long vehicle or have some storage along the back section of it here.
Yes, absolutely.
And then you even have a small coat closet as you're coming in here in addition to the one in the front.
Also notice here to the right, you have plenty of storage space. So that is pretty massive.
Nice, expansive pantry. All right, let's go ahead and we'll move upstairs and we'll check out the bedrooms on the second floor.
Absolutely, follow me.
All right, let's move up here to the second floor.
Perfect.
We come up here, we have this wonderful little landing area. Could be used for couch and TV. just playroom or whatever you want it to really be, really.
Yeah, it's a nice little loft space. You also do have a secondary bedroom right here to the left. Pretty spacious. You have the large windows bringing in plenty of natural light.
I love the double window there.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
And I love the black doors on this
Yes.
particular model. You
Something
got a
really
big walk-in closet.
Absolutely. Something really neat is that this one actually does feature the window in the closet.
So if you're scared of the dark, you've got the window. Let's go ahead and check out the other bedrooms.
Perfect. All right, this will be another secondary bedroom. And to the left, you're gonna have the second floor laundry.
Wonderful
very, very
feature with all the
convenient.
bedrooms upstairs. Don't have to carry it down the stairs all the time.
Mm-hmm.
And it frees up basement space.
That is correct, yes. All right, you're gonna have a secondary bathroom. This is a full bath.
And again, you could have different upgrades in here, stuff of that nature, cabinetry, countertops, shower, towel, all that kind of
You
stuff.
certainly can. You certainly can. You also have some storage space right here as well. And then this is another secondary bedroom.
Again, nice size, got the big window and another nice closet area.
Yeah,
So let's head back
Spacious.
over and we'll check out the primary bedroom.
absolutely. Always save the best for last. And this is the owner's suite.
Huge
Very
room,
spacious,
lots
yeah.
of outlets for plug-ins. Put a bed on one side, a setting area on the other.
Absolutely.
And then you've got the primary bathroom over there.
This one does feature the garden tub and the stand-in shower. And it also does have luxury vinyl plank throughout the bathroom as well.
And again, if somebody wanted to retrograde this or update it during the design process, anything in here could pretty much be changed to what their taste and likes are.
That is correct. You got it.
And then you have the large walk-in
Large
closet over there. All right, so we have one more feature on this house. We're going to go down and show you the basement, and then we'll end up outside with the backyard and show you how nice the back of the house is.
Exactly, exactly.
All right, well, you beat me downstairs, so we're in the basement now. We've got a nice open area over here. Could almost make that into like an office area if you wanted to do
Yes.
something like that, or a playroom maybe.
Absolutely.
And then over here, you've got this big expansive area that can be added into a nice big game room or den or man cave or whatever you wanted.
That is correct.
But gives you just lots of opportunity. You've got the nice ceiling height and everything, and then you've also got the egress window where you could actually put a
Absolutely.
bedroom back there.
Absolutely, absolutely. You certainly could. And this one also does come well equipped with a rough-in. So if that were something you were wanting to do was to finish this basement out, that certainly could be something that you could do later on down the line.
All right, so let's head upstairs. We'll check out the backyard and complete this video.
Perfect.
Okay, so we're out here on the back exit to this house. As you can see, you've got a nice big expansive yard. If you wanted to, you could put in a privacy fence. Everything is something that you can pretty much customize here at Fischer. You want to give us some more insight on all the different aspects and stuff with Fischer?
Absolutely. So one thing that I want to point out is that this is a market. So we are offering 6% of the purchase price is what we would offer to you if you were to purchase one of our market homes, and that's for all of our market homes. Something else I want to point out is that we do utilize Bryant's Heating and Cooling in all of our Fischer homes. And so you do receive a 5-year warranty with Bryant's Heating and Cooling. through us, but if you sign up for the homeowners portal, you will receive an additional 5 years. So then you'll have a 10-year warranty. And then my last thing that I want to point out is that this is a code landing. So if you later on down the line wanted to finish this out and make this into a bigger deck, you could definitely do that by utilizing our tool called Builder Backed. And basically what that is our homeowners portal that allows you access to the contractors that we use. All right.
So everybody's already vetted. You don't even have to vet anybody and get things
That is
done.
correct.
Awesome.
That is correct.
And then you have the 10-year warranty on your heating and cooling if you do the portal as well. And it's just all kinds of amenities that you get by coming out here for Fischer.
It is.
So I hope you like this video. This is Talisa Jackson. She's with Fischer. Reach out to me or her for coming and viewing one of these wonderful homes. My name's Will Patterson, Louisville, Kentucky Living. We look forward to you in future videos.